Play the songs that I love on my arm. Move up, move down. My skin will sound as sweet as your melody and your poetry. So come over here and play me. I know it's not easy to give it all up to a room full of strangers early, waiting for one of them to be kind and say, I know what you mean, but I know what you mean. So play, will you play me? Yes, I'm listening to you play. I'm word washed and I am warm in all that you say. And every last word, sentence you form, and I'm watching your fingertips touch the strings, and I'm watching your lips as you sing all the beautiful shapes that your mouth makes. I could move into the moon. Yes, I could move like you move me, and you move me like a waterfall, and I fall into yours every time. So come over here and fall into mine. I know it's not easy to give it all up to a room full of strangers early, waiting for one of them to be kind and say, I know what you mean, but I know what you mean. So play. I am listening, just listening, over and over. You ask, will I grow sick of it? Just listening, over and over. Not at all, not at all. I know it's not easy to give it all up to a room full of strangers early, waiting for one of them to be kind. I know what you mean. So play me. I'm listening to you play, and it's all I can do not to run up and kiss you. Yeah, I'm easy that way, and it's something you better get used to. So put down your guitar, come over here, play the songs that I love on my arm, and move up and move down. My skin will sound as sweet as your melody.